Get your agency, hiring AI. By the end of this, your agency will have had it, okay? So I am the Innovation Director at We Are Social. We're a creative agency that focuses most of our ideas around social, weirdly. And I'm the Innovation Director there, which means that I do cool stuff with interesting brands, with interesting technology, with the brands you see there for around about the last kind of 4 years or so. So what I'm going to talk about is this story. So the New Scientist tweeted this back in June. Fairly innocuous tweet, but then something quite exciting happened. Elon Musk replied to it. That's pretty cool for the New Scientist. And he's banging on about AI. But the real story here is the fact that this tweet was actually written by an AI. It was actually written by an AI called EchoBox, and you can see they A/B tested the content, got the optimal image and the right time of day. So if Elon Musk, who is the kind of poster boy of artificial intelligence, can't spot creative AI when he sees it, then what chance have you got? So should we have a little game? Should we have a challenge? See how we get on. Right, so let's play a game. You guys versus the machine. Are you up for it? Yeah, good. Okay, so research and insight, right? You have humans that do research and insight at your agencies or your brands. So what we're going to look at is some pictures. So across the automotive category on social, which type of shot boosts the best type of performance? Hands up for front shot, rear shot, aerial shot, interior shot. Right, you're rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. You got beaten by the AI. Next up, which image style works best across social? Runway, hands up. Editorial. Street style. Street style, better. Job. Okay, so next one. Which type model shot? Partial face, partial body, or full body? Hands up, partial body and face. Anyway, hands up for fuck it and whatever. Right, okay, so we can just guess how right you were. Okay, so there's an AI out there who's marginally, well, probably better than most of you. Right, copywriting, bit more difficult. Okay, so which of these was written by an AI and which of these was written by a human? Shout it out. Numbers. First one, anyone? Hands up. What do you mean you can't read it? Oh, I didn't think about that, did I? Right, right, fuck it. Anyway, it's really hard to tell. That one was actually written by the human, the other ones are written by AI. But let's have a look at this in actual practice. So I'm gonna have to get and read these, I do apologize. Okay, so the first one says, you're invited to help us solve the water crisis by joining Spring. And then the one on the right-hand side says, we need your help bringing safe water to people around the world, improving health, education, and opportunity. So which is the AI and which one isn't the AI? The left one's the AI? No, the one on the right's written by the AI. 32% conversion rate uplift. That was written by the guys at Posado, brilliant. Right, this one's a bit more tricky. So asset generation, can an AI actually produce content? So I'm going to play you 2 videos. So was this made by an AI? Or was this video made by an AI? First video, anyone want to guess? The second one was... No, that was the cool one. That was the human version. But interestingly, the AI version produced much better results. So it's starting to get quite interesting. So, and then finally, media efficiency, right? That's got to be a human thing. So which worked better, one single MPU or 60 different personalized individual MPUs, all with different copy based on location, time, and cookie data? Well, you're getting there. Brilliant. So 60 creative variants, choose 103% performance uplift. So we've got research and insight that you thought you could beat it and you kind of didn't. Copy, you got a bit fooled by. Admittedly, you couldn't read most of it. That's fine. And video, it's difficult to tell. And then finally, actually, media optimization through machine learning is kind of nothing new now. So what is the role of an agency? If an AI can do it better than you lot, there's a high chance that it can do it a lot better than maybe a lot of agencies. So I think the role for our agency and for other agencies is really to understand AI before the brands do, because these tools are pretty straightforward to use. These tools are something that brands could use just as well as agencies can. And so what we need to do is find a new way of working, create a new type of research, copywriting and video making process that involves AI, that doesn't just rely on the human intuition that we tried to share a bit today. So if you want to tell me I'm wrong or tell me I'm right, I'm happy to chat it through. Thanks for your time, guys.